we have 3m squared to be equal to 2 root m. Okay, you're required to solve for m in this question. Alright, first thing we can do here is to say that 3m squared is equal to 2 multiplied by m to the power of half. Okay, because root of m is m to the power of half. Okay, at this point we can say let's divide both sides by 3. So we have that this side divided by 3 will give me m squared. So we equal to, now this is 2 over 3 multiplied by m raised to the power half. Okay, now again dividing this side by m raised to the power half. Okay, dividing both sides by m raised to the power half, we now have that m squared divided by m raised to the power half is equal to m squared minus 1 over 2. Okay, so we equal to 2 over 3. Okay, now 2 minus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2. Okay, m raised to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 2 over 3. And this one you can say let's square both sides. So we have that our m cubed is equal to 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. Alright, so what we now have here is that m is equal to cube roots, okay, of 4 over 9. Okay, and this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.